Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Jesus Esis. This field is explication for life, the very situations in my life. My best friends is in the country Argentina. In Argentina, time o'clock 2 p.m. Different Venezuela time o'clock. Time o'clock in Venezuela is 1 p.m. My work is in the SIAC. My travel at work is occasioned in ride, bicycle ride. Other in car. Car is at work. My person practice soccer, and my son practice soccer in Casa Italia of Venezuela. Of their what day Saturday is play soccer 3 p.m. 3 p.m. play soccer. My mother cooking my favorite custom, my favorite dinner is spaghetti. My mother preparing spaghetti. My wife studying aeronautica. The day weekend present of video of film at teacher English. Good afternoon. Thank you very much.